Okay, so the Federal Reserve decided to leave the interest rates unchanged. Wow, isn't that supposed to be good news? Well, technically it's not, because it's literally as the Federal Reserve speaking and saying, okay, we don't think the economy is doing that good, therefore we are afraid to raise interest rates. So, and that is why clearly, as you would expect the market on such great news to rocket higher, the market is actually not going higher. Clearly right here on S&P 500, we see a spike higher, but merely a few points, and now the market is turning around. So what is the trade? What do? How do you profit from this? Well, the trade of the day is quite easy. You can simply go to BKNG, which on such news should have definitely rocketed higher, because interest rates unchanged means weaker dollar. Weaker dollar is good for Priceline because it reports earnings in dollars. So let's see. This is the trade right here. Priceline trading at 21.62, 21.64. Buy these puts right here. Oh boy, they just went up quite a bit. You can buy these 21.55 puts, just a little bit out of the money. You can probably get them for around $9.50. And they are expiring 2 days from now. We're doing that with an intent of Priceline BKNG booking to drop roughly $30, $40. If that takes place as the market reverses lower, those puts right here will be worth in the range of $30, $40. Or in other words, 300–400% return. So we'll keep you posted on this trade over the next couple of days. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, quick follow-up on this BKNG trade. Okay, so we're buying 3 put options at 9.5 a piece. These 21.55 for $9.50. That would have been a total investment of $2,800 roughly. Right now they're selling. Last sell price was $12.55. So in last 20 minutes, you would have made $3 per contract, which would have equaled to a profit of $900. Now that's in the last 20 minutes. Again, as I mentioned when we placed the trade earlier, that we would follow up on the trade in the next 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours. So stay tuned. I'll put another video on how this trade is going later. Thank you. If you want to find out specifically which steps to take, which stocks to be buying put options on, take action now. Click right here, How to Profit button at marketcrash.money. This opportunity is absolutely amazing. I have never seen so many signs where the market is pointing that it is at its ultimate top. Every positive piece of information has been priced in this market, and no matter how good that information gets, the market is just struggling to go higher. So if you're still a believer that the market will ultimately go higher from here on, you definitely will have a chance to buy these stocks that you're considering buying at a much, much lower level. Because what we've seen today, after the Federal Reserve has not raised the interest rates, is the only ultimate direction of the market in the short term is lower. So how do you profit from this? How do you profit from a 10, possibly 20% correction in the near term? Take action. Click right here, How to Profit button. Get all your questions answered in a one-on-one coaching training sessions on how to trade short-term and long-term options. I hope to talk to you soon and make 2018 your most profitable year ever. Hey guys, this is exactly what I call quiet before the storm. The Federal Reserve has just admitted that the economy absolutely sucks, to the point where they are actually afraid to raise interest rates even a tiny quarter point. Now, the market should be ecstatic and enthused about such information, but it's not. And so far, it is not dropping like a rock, which is exactly what I call a delay effect. Just because it has not dropped, and I know you're thinking, why should it drop? Isn't the fact that they're not raising the interest rates, isn't that a good thing? Well, actually, no, it's a very horrible thing. And because of that, right now it's 2:47 on the clock. We got hour 30 minutes to go in this session. expect a sell-off at some point going into the last few minutes of the close. And expect a sell-off over the next 48 hours. Maybe finally S&P 500 will revisit the low point of 2611, which was set just a few days ago, and a much lower point of 2587. Now, the interesting aspect of the 2587 is if it retests the low, at this point, we have heard every possible good piece of information that could have taken this market higher. And now, even with a surprise notice that the interest rates are not going higher, the market is about to reverse. So perfect time to get some put options, take action. If you're not sure exactly how to play, which stocks to do, which stocks to buy put options with, visit marketcrash.money. If you're not sure which stocks are going to drop the most, which stocks should you be buying put options on, visit marketcrash.money, hit right here, how to profit, and schedule your one-on-one consultation/coaching session. Well, I will reveal to you specifically how I have turned $12,000 into $460,000 in under 7 hours. And yes, it is a personal record of mine. However, the most important aspect out of this is I will be able to share a 5-step system with you that I have developed that have helped me generate returns in markets like this one. So take action now. Learn how to profit, learn how to trade options. If you are a veteran trader looking for new strategies, definitely take action now and find out specifically what are the best stocks to buy put options on right now.